my phone. 16 missed calls. Sorry I was busy, but I missed a job. You see me ballin' in my bitch ball. Even when I'm sitting here alone all by myself, even when I'm thinking.
Hi guys, welcome back to yet another day of this vlog. Today we went to NYDA business management training skills. So basically I am going to be I was invited and I applied around 2024, I think, and this is the only time they called me for an invite to attend their training. So basically this is more for the business side, and I'll just share whatever that I can so that you guys, if you also want to do if you also have a business and you want to apply for funding, I'll tell you the requirements and what happens in the business training, because I've never attended their business training. And today it was first day. It was supposed to be our first day, but we didn't attend because not everyone came. The people who were sent emails didn't come. There were only 10 of us, and they require a minimum of 10 or 15 participants for them to start with the training. So for now we are going to be waiting for an invite again, because it takes about 5 days. The training takes about 5 days, and then after that you have to pitch to them why you want the funding and just pitch with your business, you know. So it is for people who have a business idea, and for people who have an operating business, Goodie, like running a business is not easy, and it requires like a lot of things. So even if you are operating and you still lack with some things, I think this would really help to attend this business training management. So yeah, that is it for today guys, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. We're going for the TAKEALOT House of Beauty event, and I'm so excited. I've already started a series on TikTok whereby I was just sharing me preparing for this event. It was more like a countdown, and I'm just so grateful I did that, because one thing about me, I always doubt myself, and I always doubt my ideas or just my creativity, because this, not only did I gain visibility, but there's this girl, I'll link her profile here. She mentioned me in one of her videos, and she was like, she texted me and she sent me a DM on TikTok asking if she could use my video, just for information, so that people will know what to expect, because I'm going on the first day. And I was like, sure. And with that being said, I gained about 100 followers from that video. So I am just so grateful. My TikTok account is growing, like everything is going well. I have no complaints. But thank you guys so much, also you here on YouTube, for always like supporting me and just following me, yeah, just rooting for me. I'll probably be doing a giveaway, and the giveaway will be on TikTok, Instagram, and also here on YouTube. So I think I'm just gonna give you guys some time so that you can all see the giveaway details, and probably will announce the winner end of May. Yeah, in this vlog I'll just show you guys what I'm giving away, and then on TikTok and Instagram I'm also will be sharing like a bit of information, and also show them what is it that I am giving away. But hints is that I'll be giving away skincare products, since you know that I'm a skincare girly, and that is basically my day for today. But now I'm just going to the mall to find an outfit, because I really don't have anything to wear, but I have like a very simple outfit idea on my mind, and I just want to look cute. Maybe I'll do a makeup again tomorrow. And yeah, so that was my day. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow when we get ready for the TAKEALOT House of Beauty event. Hi guys, it's a Friday today, the day of the event. I am so excited, but iwe dangathi disappointed guys. It's a bit windy, cold and cloudy. But anyways, we have to move. That is my outfit there at the back, as you can see. So I just want to quickly do my makeup, but I'm not gonna do it with you guys because I'm also trying to film for TikTok, Instagram, you know, the series I started. So I just wanna, it's gonna be hard today. I don't think I'm gonna enjoy that much because I have to put up content everywhere, you know. I'm gonna do my makeup now, get dressed, and then show you the final outfits, the final look for the day, and then we can get going.
I need to be alone now. I need to be alone. Your love is not my lifeline. Your love is not my home. Returning you now. My to me, you don't belong. I better want my own. You're better
Now
way
we can't wait to learn all the tips and tricks and launching new products right here with Nix. So thank you so much for taking the time to join us. Now I'm just going to get through a few of the things that we must.
I'm done with all these crises, and I'm finally out the dark. I know what you need. I know what you need. I know what you need. Get it from me. I know what you.
Just like that, Pasalwani. We are out. Hi guys, it's been 3 days since we last spoke on this vlog, and I went to the TAKEALOT House of Beauty event. Oh guys, we had a time. It was so nice. Like, I'm enjoying those kind of vibes, those kind of events, you know, whereby you get your goodie bags and you just get to try out new makeup, skincare, like you name it, you know. So we had a good time. I would rate it like a 10 out of 10. Guys, if you want to go to these events, just check out my Instagram. Like, make sure to have like the brand's Instagram. Just follow them on Instagram, your TikTok, and all over. That's where they post most of the time. I got a ticket and I wasn't invited by any brand, and so like it was so nice. Honestly, it was so nice. So most of the things here I already posted a video on TikTok and Instagram for you guys to see, and I already gave away some few things to my family. I The only things that I left here are the things that I love and I use most of the time. So yeah, I already gave them out. So in this bag I already sorted like them out now. So I got this glutes drink. This is the energy drink. We had another can in watermelon and I already drank that. And we also have a can from Benini. We only got one of these. Got this can of Jean. This is the Nectar Blanc and I already drank the other can. Guys, this is strong. like literally this is drown. So I also want these gummies from Glutes. They have ashwagandha. That's the only downside about it, because I don't like ashwagandha and I don't want to feel what it does actually, you know. So on the biggest goodie bag we have these comforts. This one smells so good. This one I'm literally going to be buying the bigger tub of this. And we also got the Parodontax toothpaste, and we got the Skin Functional sunscreen. This is a sunscreen. And we also got the body care. This is a face and body emulsion. It has niacinamide. If you want to brighten your skin, this is good. We also got some roll on from Garnier body moisturizing body lotion from Nivea. Nivea gave us a lot of things, I could say that. And we also got the Revlon hair dye. We also got the Sati Skin body wash. And this is from Sanex. I love it because it doesn't have fragrance, and also it says anti-itch. I struggle with itchy skin. Whenever like I just finish bathing, my skin gets itchy, so I'm going to be trying this out and see if it really does work or anything. And then I got these Alvive L'Oreal Paris. This is a shampoo and a conditioner. I can't wait to try this for my wigs. There's this one thing I'm so excited about, and I'm gonna show you after. This is the Eucerin body lotion, body cream. This is also for your marks or just brightening your skin. And I also want this CeraVe ointment. This is a repair ointment, I guess, and I'm going to be using it for my lips because it's for your face, body and lips. And then I got this Nivea micellar water. I'm going to be trying this one out because I have tried the other skin glowing one, the yellow one, before, and it's good. And then we have this volumizing curling mousse from Masudi. I've never tried it, but I'm gonna use it, you know, and see. Here's the one thing that I'm excited about, honestly. This is the Sol de Janeiro mist, guys. This is a perfume. Oh my god, it smells amazing. Like, I can't even describe it. It has the notes of pistachio, salted caramel and vanilla. Like, those are just my favorite notes in a perfume. Like, it has to have vanilla, you know, it has to have salted caramel. Like, I want to smell edible. Oh my god, I'm going to buy this. Like, please don't judge me. I saw the price. It's about 595 to 800, and the small one is, how many mils is this one? Oh, this is a 30 mil, and the 90 mil is 500 and something. The 240 is 800. I think I'm gonna buy it. Like, judge me all you want, but I'm gonna buy it. I'm so hooked on this. Oh my god, I love this, guys. I love it so much. You know, like, there's a lot of things. And oh, I'm also excited about this one. This is a CeraGlow Even and Tone cream. Yeah, body cream, body lotion from Vaseline. We got 2 of these. I just can see it here. And I also got the Portia M Marula body cream. So I've never tried the Portia M any products, whether they are skincare or just body care. And then, guys, we got a lot of things, but yeah, I'm not gonna put them all here. You just have to look for my Instagram and TikTok so you can see everything. We also got the Dove Dark and Lovely Waterless Cleanser. I'm so excited to try this too. So basically that was it, guys, for this. Oh, can I show you this? I've already opened this one. It also smells amazing, guys. Sol de Janeiro doesn't play with their ingredients or whatever. Like, it is so strong, it smells amazing. Oh guys, it smells like money. It smells like money. If you want a plug, I Self de Janeiro should be your girl. Like, oh, it is expensive, but no, I love like their body creams, their perfumes. Oh my god guys, they smell so good. Oh, they smell so good. Okay, so that is it guys. I didn't show you everything because like I'm tired, and also I'm counting on my space because I have little space. So that's the end of today. I am just going to be, probably I'll go out, I'll see, and if I go out I'm gonna go out with you, but I just want to finish up with my assignments, my school assignments, and then we can just carry on with this vlog. I hope you are still enjoying. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
The mood is set, so you already know what's next. TV on blast, turn it down. Don't want it to clash when nobody's screaming out now. I know you're hearing it. You got me more.
Hi guys, I didn't greet you today, but I just bought my snacks and yeah, everything for his canteen. So now we're going to Food Lovers to just run some errands. I'm thinking of buying veggies and all of that, and I got these drinks, so I'm gonna try them out with you guys. But this one, you know guys, I've had this drink in my vlogs before, and today I just want to try this Lady Boba. It's a matcha bubble tea. So yeah, so let's go to Food Lovers and then go home. I am so tired and so drained. I don't know what's happening with my eye. It's so red and it's painful. I'm thinking about those lashes. Ish.
Need you in my life. Every time I try to go, something keeps bringing me back. Everything's gonna be alright. Every time I try to leave, something keeps bringing me back. Telling me I need you in my life. It was meant to be, you were meant for me. So that means we gotta make it. Have you ever loved someone so much you thought you'd die, giving so much of yourself? It seems the only way. Tell me what you want and I